Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Things 3, Task and Productivity, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Things 3 is a premium task management and productivity app designed to help users organize their work, routines, and long-term goals. Available exclusively for Apple devices, including iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple Watch, it focuses on clean design, minimal distractions, and a highly structured workflow. The app allows users to create tasks, categorize them with tags, schedule deadlines, set reminders, and build organized project lists with nested to-dos. The main interface includes sections like Today, Upcoming, Anytime, and Someday, helping users prioritize tasks without feeling overwhelmed. You can also use Areas to group related responsibilities such as work, personal, health, or studies. Things 3 syncs instantly across all Apple devices through Things Cloud, keeping your tasks updated everywhere. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how Things 3 performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth interface, fast performance, clean layout, and powerful organization tools. The ability to break large projects into smaller steps is especially useful for students, professionals, and creators who manage complex workflows. Integrations like calendar syncing, Siri voice input, and shortcuts make planning even easier. However, there are some drawbacks. Things 3 is a paid app with separate purchases required for each Apple device, iPhone, iPad, and Mac. It is not available on Android or Windows. Some users also feel the lack of collaboration features makes it less suitable for team-based work. In addition, the minimalist design may seem too simple for those who need advanced automation or shared task management. In summary, the Things 3 app may be worth using if you want a clean, fast, and highly structured task manager for personal productivity across Apple devices. However, if you prefer cross-platform access, team collaboration features, or a free alternative, it might not be the most essential choice for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.